What? Bro, is that the card?
No, that's not the card.
Yo guys, I know I haven't posted in a while, but check out these freshly cleaned, freshly laced shoes I got going on. Ooh, new laces. Cleaned the whole side. These things were so dirty before, and there's still some marks, but that doesn't matter. Me and Dakota are headed to a coffee shop downtown real quick, and gonna get some work done. With this series, I think I'm actually trying to cut this up into shorter clips so it's more eventful, more things happen in the video, and it's just not my long drawn out day. So hopefully you guys will find this style more entertaining. Well, I'm gonna test it out, see how it does, see how you guys like it. If not, I'll switch back to boring, uneventful vlogs. You like this cut on my face? I was eating beef jerky and I ripped it out of my mouth and just slit my face open. So that's cool. You guys haven't listened to that new Lil Wayne? It's fire.
I spit that ROC, nothing but crack, bitch. Get my cleats, cause I'm running this rap shit. Y'all know me, this ain't nothing but practice. I run the streets and I'm running this rap shit. I got bars OD, I've been running this rap shit. I run this bitch like I'm Lamar Jackson, The takeover, the break's over. Hit your brakes cause the race over. I'm the case closer, bust your whole fucking face open. That's a makeover, lean, make every soda, grape soda, purple.
It actually tastes so good. Okay, we're leaving right now, but watch me be stupid with my money. Okay, so I'm gonna assume you guys have at least heard of or seen this huge Pokemon craze that's been going on. I know Logan Paul, he made a video about it that went huge, and Gary Vee talked about investing into it. So it's like this really big thing that's going on again. People are just buying Pokemon cards again. Price is going up. So we started investing. We're headed to go get Pokemon cards right now. $40 almost on more cards. I have 15 packs I just got. What? What's what?
I'll put
Worth anything at all. Ooh, Tapu Fini GX. I'm pulling something out of literally every single pack. This is crazy. What? Bro, is that the card? Wow, I'm basically a Pokemon YouTuber now. I never thought I'd upload a video to my channel about Pokemon cards, but here we are. Okay guys, so I've done some thorough research and examination, and if I'm correct, all of these cards that I own, plus some on this page, if I'm correct, I think all of my cards are worth around $600, maybe like a little above that, but that's like a lot of them, that's if they're the highest grade. I get them graded PSA 10. So like this is kind of a high estimation. I definitely profited from buying these. I want to say I probably spent close to $200 maybe altogether on Pokemon cards, which is expensive, I know. I think I made my money back. So it's pretty great pickups anyway. My brother Dakota, he's not doing too hot, but I think we've all profited so far on our Pokemon card adventures. That's going to wrap it up for this video. I know it was really short. I want to start trying to post 2 times a week. Let's hope I stick to this promise. I have a ton of big news coming your guys' way, and these videos are about to become a lot more eventful. So without further ado, I will catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you need to do. Peace out.